Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious rolls from Samosa sheets. First, gather your essential ingredients: Samosa sheets, your chosen filling, and a simple binding paste made from flour and water. It is important that your filling is completely cool and not overly moist to prevent the sheets from tearing. Finally, set up a clean, flat work surface to make the rolling process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get to the fun part: filling and folding. Take one Samosa sheet and place a small, consistent amount of your prepared filling near one of the shorter edges. Next, fold the two longer sides inward over the filling. This creates a neat package and helps prevent the filling from escaping. Then, roll the sheet tightly from the filled end all the way to the opposite edge, creating a compact roll. Once your roll is formed, it is crucial to seal it properly. Apply a small amount of your flour and water paste to the final edge of the sheet and press firmly to secure it. This ensures your rolls stay intact during cooking. You can then deep fry them in hot oil until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy, or for a lighter alternative, bake them in a preheated oven until they achieve a similar golden hue. These versatile rolls are best enjoyed hot, fresh from the fryer or oven, alongside your favorite dipping sauce, like a tangy chutney or a sweet chili sauce. Feel free to get creative with your fillings, exploring both savory options like spiced potatoes or minced meat, and even sweet variations with fruits and nuts. These rolls are perfect for any occasion, and you can find the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, along with other great deals, by checking the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.